We are learning more about the fire that took the lives of two young children Sunday morning near 91st and Brown Deer.
Fire investigators are still looking for evidence of any smoke detectors. Today they took to the neighborhood to make sure this does not happen again. Tom Durian live at the scene to show us what first responders did there today. Tom.
Well, Charles and Shannon, you can see that the memorial behind me for these two young victims is growing here at the scene this evening. They were identified earlier today as 4-year-old Romeo Robinson and his sister, 2-year-old Stephanie. Family members tell us they had just moved to this apartment a month ago. Firefighters say when they arrived on the scene just after 5 yesterday morning, flames could be seen coming from the house, and they were told that there were children inside. They knew it would be dangerous, but they went in anyway.
They articulated that to everybody else. They said, we're going in, but we're not gonna be able to last long there. Those firefighters came out that door smoldering.
And those two firefighters were injured. The two children died at the scene. Family members tell us they believe that there are working smoke detectors inside that home, but fire investigators have not found them yet. Some of the firefighters here in the area passing out smoke detectors to nearby residents. Now, the father was inside the home at the time of the fire. He was injured and is in the hospital tonight. The mother was in the hospital at the time of the fire with some complications from pregnancy. We're live tonight at the scene near 91st and Brown Deer. Tom Durian, today's TMJ4.
Heartbreaking. Thank you, Tom.